Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Kirby in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that you will need is earth plus water. And then after that, you want to go for wind right here so that you'd have dandelion. And then you want to go for water and water to create lake. And then once you have lake, is that you want to add another lake right here and add water into that so that you'd have ocean. And then once you have ocean, is that you want to go for water again, and then you'd have fish. So once you have fish right here, is that you want to add dandelion to it, and then you'd have puffer fish. And then once you have puffer fish, is that you want to add fire and fire to create volcano. And then you want to add a lake into the volcano, and then you'd have island. And then you'd add volcano again to the island to create Hawaii. And then you want to add a fish into the Hawaii to create poke. And then you want to add another fish to create Pokemon. And then once you have Pokemon, add it with pufferfish, and then you'd have Jigglypuff. And then you want to go and add dandelion plus water to create wine, and then add wind to create balloon, and then combine it with Jigglypuff, you would have Kirby. So that is basically it.